the video, please, I would like to say, please wait 1 minute. This 1 minute will increase your productivity. This 1 minute, it will not waste your time. So first of all, I would like to share everything. So this first of all, I would like to say this one is the Pixie color picker, and next I will show you how to copy any image to text. Sometime it will need, so I don't want to waste my time using any extra topic. So here as you can see, I have created a design. This is the landing page. I would like to design this one for you. If you guys is interested to how to create this one, please comment below, because I will highly interested to design to show this landing page for you. And if you think if you want to learn how to create landing page, I have made a several video about landing page. If you go to my channel and go to this video part, I have already made a 2 video that is a 1 hour plus video, and this one is 1 hour also plus video. So here I have covered A to Z how to create landing page. So using this landing page, you can you can boost your product, you can boost your any service, and beside you can create landing page for your client. So landing page is very effective, and this is a very easy thing to learn. So that would be the interesting thing. The main part of the video, that is this on the Pixie. The Pixie, sometime when I create landing page or any design, that time sometime I need to copy this color, and sometime they just want to know how to copy this color code. So I think that if I made a video particularly about this Pixie, so this is the video. And as you can see, this is a Pixie, and now I'm going to show you how it's work. So if I open this Pixie, so if you whatever you want, actually hover over the mouse. As you can see, this is the color code. I just Control Alt C for Windows user. So Control Alt C. If I click the Control C, it already copied. And if you just paste the color code, these are the color code actually. And when you use this one, you can use the hash before the color code. Okay, so how to download this Pixie? It's very easy, simple. You just search Pixie. If you open this website Pixie, this website actually will not open in my country right now, but you can use this one. So this is the Pixie download. Just click this website and going to this one. Okay, so you will just click this download now button and free download button. It will redirect to this page and download this Pixie download. It will download it, and when it's downloaded, you will just see I'm just going to show you. These are the extension. This is Pixie. You just open the software, or these are the open the portable software. Just click run and it will appear over here. You don't need to install or yes, don't need to do anything over here. Just directly open. And now second thing is very important, that is image to text. Sometime it need, if you think that is these are the actual image, I will show you the image, any image. Actually, if I go to my desktop and I have already screenshot the image, these are the actual image, right? These are not website, these are the image. So if you think that how to copy this all those images in one time, one click, so that's a very easy thing. If you sometime what you're gonna do, if you need this text, you just type on your notepad and it will waste your time, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to just copy all those text in one click. In order to do, you will just go to this website, that is image to text. These are the first one, and click this image to text website. And when you open the website, you will just drag and drop any image. So I would like to drag and drop this one, and it will take few seconds, because here has several text over here. I just wanna just show you this very effective, that when it's come all the stuff, here's all the stuff, boom, actually all those texts are appear over here. And if you think you just paste your content over here, any of in your notepad, whatever you want, and all those stuff I think this topic will be very effective for your programming journey or designing journey. Okay, so all our content is over here. If you use this kind of content anywhere, you just extract the text is just one click. Okay, so today's video is all of them, and lastly I just want to say that is, if you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below. Comment is very important because the comment will increase my boost and my inspiration, so I wait for your comment. So if you think this video very helpful, please comment below. If you think this video is not very helpful, please also comment below, because YouTube algorithm will understand this video is very helpful or not. So that time would be happen, that is the YouTube will arrive this video who actually suffer this kind of issues. So why you are not doing this stuff? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, also comment below. So I wait for your comment. Thank you very much.